Hey there, metal bending enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of press brakes, unveiling 7 golden tips and tricks that will elevate your metal bending game to the next level. Are you ready to bend it like a pro? Let's jump right in. Organization is the key. Mark your tools with essential information and keep them organized. It not only boosts efficiency, but also prevents damage, ensuring that your tools are always ready for action. Say goodbye to unsightly die marks. With a simple polyurethane film, your bends will be as clean as a whistle, ensuring that each piece is a masterpiece. Choosing the right material is an art. Remember, different materials have unique properties that can impact the bending process. Wear and tear is inevitable, but with the right V-shaped die and maintenance, you can minimize damage and keep your bends in tip-top shape. When dealing with large tonnage bending, remember the golden rule: stay within the load range. It's all about precision and safety. Encountered an abnormal bending angle? No worries. A little adjustment in tonnage and speed, and you're back on track. Accuracy is king in the world of metal bending. A well-adjusted back gauge ensures precision, making each bend a work of art. And there you have it, folks. 7 tips to transform your press brake operations. Remember, with the right knowledge and tools, every bend is a step towards perfection. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insider secrets to master the art of metal bending. Like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated with the latest in the world of metal fabrication. Until next time, keep bending.